Log in to single site. An audit date is automatically created. This can be edited at a later stage if needed. To create locations, navigate to Add Locations. Log in to the DigiTally app. On the settings page, click Easy Sync. Click the Count button on the bottom menu. Select Insert Products into Locations. Then click Location Desired. Use the search bar to search for specific products. Select all applicable items. Click Insert the number of items. Repeat until all locations have products. You can either perform counts right away or click Settings and select Easy Sync to sync the app and perform the count later.